Here's Jungle Bed!
Stop deforestation! Stop deforestation! Mr. David Novak, CEO of Young Foods, parent company of Kentucky Fried Chicken. According to Greenpeace, you're using rainforest material in your fast food packaging. Since rainforests are essential to our planet's long-term health, your company is contributing to the acceleration of deforestation, greenhouse gas emissions, animal extinction, and the displacement of indigenous people. We know it's not you directly, but your supplier, Asia Paper and Pulp, a company with a very poor environmental track record, and one that is being boycotted by Nestle, Lego, Proctor Gamble, Unilever, Adidas, Nestle, to name a few. To date, your company has refused to meet or even respond to repeated requests from Greenpeace, the WWF, the Dogwood Alliance, to sit down and lay the framework for a sustainable business model. As leader of the world's largest fast food chain, you have a big responsibility to ensure your business is not harming this planet's delicate ecosystem, and to use your brand as a force for good. So as a CEO with a reputation for outstanding corporate leadership, I please ask you to demonstrate a commitment to our environment by, number one, refusing to trade with Asia Pulp Paper until they commit to suspend their clear-cutting activities. Two, follow the lead of your competitor McDonald's and agree to meet with an environmental NGO who will help you work towards a zero deforestation strategy across your entire supply chain and help you protect this planet we all call home for our children and their children's children. So people of, where are we going?
Rhuddlan.
Rhuddlan. People of Rhuddlan and those watching via the internet, whether you're a KFC customer or not, please join me by signing our petition at kfcstopdeforestation.org or tweet the hashtags JungleBird or KFC Stop Deforestation. Stop deforestation!
For more Jungle Bed, please visit junglebed.com.